Hey everybody, we're going to see if this works. What I did was take drawer lining for the kitchen and I drew this on it. Once I drew it on there, I labeled each color, the black with a B, the white with a W. I pulled the backing off and stuck the white part of the design to the canvas. This I can use another time for another project. I cut it out with the X-Acto knife. It did take a little while, about 2 hours to cut it out. Took actually longer to draw it. Okay, this stuff sticks, but not to where paint will not run under it. I've used it in the past for some swipes and the paint did go under it. So what we're going to do is we're going to dab. We're going to sponge it on. See how that works. Anywhere it runs, I'll just touch it up with some white paint. So I'm not really worried about it. With all this padding, I think you need to put a baking tray under it. Where it doesn't cause your canvas to sag. Yeah, it's hitting the pan. That's much better. Looks a little thin in spots. It has lots of air bubbles from using this sponge. But I'm thinking that will add to the texture. Give it a neat look when it dries. I'm going to use a blow dryer. That way I can get rid of them bubbles. Okay. That's all dry. Oh boy, now we'll find out. See how the paint runs underneath a little bit? So you can't do straight exact lines, but you can touch it up later. Wow, that's not bad. That looks so good. Okay, I'm going to get radical. I'm going to do a swipe around it and just leave the face and try to do a swipe of browns and golds and blacks to give it a look of hair. Okay, I've decided to do the hair in metallics. I'm going to use these cups instead of the plastic cups. I can squeeze these and get a little funnel going. Makes it easier to put my paint down. And it lets me control the flow. I want my darkest color first and then work my way down to my lightest color on the ends. I hope this works. That looks good, but I'm not sure if I should go up just a little higher right through here. I think I do need to do that. Start over, but we don't have to worry about this. We're going to do over it. I'm going to save this paint I'm scraping off for touch-ups. Where it went over too far my black, I can touch that up later. It's going to take probably every bit of my metallic to do this. Get rid of a lot of this excess paint too. You don't want it too thick. You can't swipe it forever, your paint starts to dry on you. This is a little thing that holds your hair back. I'm going to use it to put some squiggly lines in this before the paint dries. I've cut the end off of one of my stir sticks. It makes the perfect size thing for doing this in small spots. When it dries, we'll paint this in a little black on this side to even it out with this side. Get it all evened out, but boy, paint some white right here where it's a little thin.